Let's talk about some of the three main reasons that we know people will subscribe. First and foremost, anyone and everyone is up for promotions and discounts. They like to receive those. So that's something to think about, especially if you're in retail, maybe B2B, a lot of opportunities there. But it doesn't stop there. You don't always have to go with that monetary value that people are getting back. Exclusive content is another main reason that people will subscribe to a mailing list. Exclusive content like guides and educational materials and things along those lines. Last but not least is to simply show their support. If you're in the nonprofit world, this is probably where a lot of you will fit. But if you're in the nonprofit world too, you could also go the route of some sort of exclusive content. Maybe some really important stats that go along with your cause. Maybe if it's an animal shelter, it's a guide to adopting your next pet, something like that. But really, there's a lot of opportunities no matter the business or organization you're in. And showing support is just a huge reason that I myself will subscribe to mailing lists. Is I just want to support tons of small businesses and nonprofits out there. Knowing these three things, you're going to want to come up with that one thing that you're going to say or provide right off the bat. This is what's going to entice people to give you their email address, the value that you're going to provide.